This truck is f***ing clean. 1999 Dodge Ram 2500, 5.9 Cummins diesel, 52,000 miles. Let's take it for a test drive. It galls me to like this truck as much as I do. If y'all watch the page, watch the videos, you know that I am a 7.3 Power Stroke guy through and through. I've been a Ford guy for a very long time. For me to sit here and say that this is one of my favorite diesel trucks we've ever had, again, it galls me to say it, but this truck is nice enough that it's just crazy how clean it is. It is a 1999 Dodge Ram 2500, 24 valve, 5.9 Cummins diesel. If that wasn't enough, it's a 52,786 actual mile truck, which is unheard of on these. It's a clean Carfax, clean auto check, actual mile pickup, and just freakishly clean front to back, inside and out. The original Cummins 5.9 produces 215 horse, and I believe it's 420 foot-pounds of torque. Runs like a brand new pickup. It's not even, again, it's not even broken in. Backed by the 47RE automatic overdrive transmission that these were born with. Factory four-wheel drive system performs without a hitch. Power steering, power disc brakes, factory AC blows nice and cold, factory heat blows hot. Mechanically, if someone said, Mike, hop in this truck and drive it 10 hours every day, I would have no problem doing so. I'm extremely confident in the mechanicals, and it's just crazy how clean this truck is. On the interior, you have your original gray or charcoal interior. The seat covers look brand new. The door panels are extremely nice. Headliner, visors, everything is awesome in here. There's a tiny little nick in the visor over on the passenger side. The upper dash, the lower dash, all of your plastics, all of your wear items in here, there's really none. There's a tiny little nick or two on the seat, on the carpet bottom and the back on the floor. Back seat looks great. Console's in excellent condition. The little button that opens the console here, a little bit of like plastic fade on that, but that's, again, super nitpicky. Gauges are super easy to read. No real wear on the top of the steering wheel that these are known for. Factory stereo, which looks brand new. Your cup holders open and close properly. Your glove box and your console, again, are all excellent shape. Up under the dash, you do have an aftermarket trailer brake controller, but it looks natural there. Factory four-wheel drive shifter on the floor. Does it work section on this: lights, gauges, horn, wipers, radio, heat, AC, parking brake, all of your power options, your cruise, all of that functions properly. You will find on the Does It Work section, in the additional media tab, on the website pcclassiccars.com, everything is functioning. You'll see that screenshot, which will break down everything that works. We are warmed up, so we'll go ahead and get in throttle, let y'all hear that factory exhaust. Obviously not a terribly loud pickup because it does have the factory exhaust, factory style exhaust, so that's honestly crazy because that's the first thing people cut off on these, is putting an aftermarket exhaust on it. But it's a really quiet truck going down the road. You'd expect a diesel truck to be louder. Obviously these, when you're in the throttle, you don't really even hear the motor, you don't really hear the exhaust, just regular cruising. But so really quiet in here when you're cruising. On the underneath, like the rest of the truck, it's freakishly clean on the bottom. The inner rockers, the frame, the floors, everything is excellent. It shows almost too clean with how the bottom side of this truck is. The frame still has the stickers on it. Still some of the factory markings from when the truck was built are on the frame. Just crazy clean on the bottom. And then on your exterior, this truck is a code RC, which is your Radiant Fire Pearl. Really cool color. It's just like darkish maroon, and obviously you have your factory two-tone silver down on the bottom. It is a 52,000 mile truck, and it is extremely nice. It does have a few tiny little nicks, which is inevitable. On the hood, and then the front, like fender extension areas, there's a little bit of little stone chips, a couple other miscellaneous little things around the truck. Nothing to really note. It really represents excellent Paint quality is great on the pickup. You'll see photos of the small little flaws in the additional media tab on the website, pcclassiccars.com. In the bed, you have an older bed liner back there. It's got like a reddish hue to it, kind of mimicking the exterior of the truck. Probably done back when this thing was new. Shows great. Doors open and close properly. Tailgate opens and closes properly. You do obviously have the extended cab doors on both sides. Factory wheels, good tires all the way around. They're like an all-terrain tire, 2023 date code. No dry rot, no cracking, no problems of any kind. They really don't look like they had any miles on them whatsoever. All of your suspension checks out, performs great. You would really expect a truck like this from the late 90s to be a little bit rougher out on the open road. This truck is impressive how comfortable it is going down this bumpy road, or even out on the open highway. It really is a comfortable pickup. Driving position is great, easy to see out of the driving position sitting here, easy to see out over the hood. Glass is clear and easy for the windshield. A few very minor little road nicks on the windshield, but it's minuscule. Power windows work like they should. You have your manually sliding back glass. Your manual mirrors over here are clear and easy to see out of on both sides. Then you have your factory rear view mirror, which is clear and easy to see out of as well, so no glass issues. There's a little overdrive button you kick on and off, which works properly. Like I mentioned earlier, it pains me to like this truck as much as I do. Being a Ford guy through and through, have always been that way. The 7.3s are hit home for me, but this truck, the 24 valve, 5.9 Cummins diesel, this is a keeper style truck. If you collect four-wheel drive trucks, if you collect diesel trucks, this would be just a keeper style truck. It's something that I would personally keep if I wasn't such a Ford guy. Absolutely love this pickup through and through. Something you can keep in your collection. You can drive this thing every day if you wanted to, or you could put it to work. That would pain me if someone bought this to put this truck to work and put this truck to use, because it is so nice. But to each their own. People want to do with their money with what they want to do, and some people want to drive these trucks, buy them to put them to work because they are extremely reliable. You see these exact trucks with 350,000 plus miles on them all the time. So at 52,000 and some change, it is not even close to being broken in. Pop the hood, numbers matching motor, all of your wear items, all your fluids, belts, hoses, everything checks out, ready to go. There's no disclaimers. A couple little nicks in the original paint you're gonna get. Outside of that, I can't think of anything that someone wouldn't love on this truck. I don't like these. These aren't my thing. I'm not a Dodge diesel guy. This is the furthest thing from what I like personally, but this is a truck that I would keep for myself. It's that clean and that cool. Kind of one of the Holy Grail style Dodge trucks. I'll be shocked if this truck lasts more than a couple of days. And there you guys have it. As always, I'm Michael. This is a 1999 Dodge Ram 2500 with 52,792 actual miles, 24 valve, 5.9 Cummins diesel, factory four-wheel drive pickup. From myself and everybody else here at PC Classic Cars, we appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drives. Make sure you check out that additional media tab on the website, pcclassiccars.com. Check out all of the killer content we're posting across the social platforms every single day. Catch you guys on the next video.